Hi children, yesterday we learned about the tribal societies in India. So which are the main tribal societies in India? Argons, Hakaras, Baloji tribes, Bhils, Koragas, Gonds, Kolis and Banjaras. These are the main tribal societies in India. So today we are going to learn about the lifestyle, their occupation and about their trade and their religion. We are going to learn about all this. So lifestyle of the tribes. Each tribe had its own laws to govern area occupied by their people. The primary occupation of all the tribes was agriculture. So each of these tribes they started settled life and they have to govern the particular area. For that they made their own laws. The laws are different from each tribes and their occupation was agriculture. With that they gathered fruits and herbs from the jungle. Not only that, they reared the farm animal like sheep, cow, goat and hens for the meeting their needs. Agriculture and cattle rearing, this was the occupation, and they coexisted with nature and were dependent on it for their livelihood. Being wanderers, when the tribes began settle down, they took to establishing some form of trade with the other settled group of people. Means their basic occupation, primary occupation was agriculture and cattle rearing. With that they started trade also. Okay, so in the beginning they were wanderers and they started settle life and started trade with the other group of people, and they sold the grains and animal product in exchange for other goods like pots, pans and cloth. They are given these grains and animal products to other tribal people, and they purchased pots, pan and cloth from there. Then their nomadic lifestyle allowed tribes like the Banjaras to carry on trade with the far off region. And this Banjara tribal people, Banjaras were the one of the tribal groups, and they started the trade and they carry the things to far off region. Banjaras are all known to have been employed by Mughals to carry food grains during war to distant region for the armies. They would sell the surplus in this land and bring back goods which were not easily available and could be sold in their native lands. These Banjaras they carry the food grains to the army, and the surplus जो ज़्यादा जो फूड ग्रेन्स है वो वहाँ पे सेलिंग करके दूसरी कुछ चीज़ खरीद के वापस लेके आते थे और उनका नेटिव लैंड में वो सेलिंग करते थे. And they also traded in products like ropes and ropes or sacks made of material from jungles like bamboos, roots and leaves. ऐसे different items उन लोग सेलिंग करते थे, बंजारास ग्रुप. Then tribal societies were well developed and self-sustaining unit with their own distinct cultural identity. They have, the tribal people have their own cultural identity. They have different type of talents, and they prayed to the various forms of nature. Their art and craft, they were very skilled people, and many traders and artisans were among them, and they made the figures of animals and birds and painted the scene from the hunting expedition. हंटिंग सीन का जो पेंटिंग करना एंड एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स का फिगर बनाना, ऐसे आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट में भी इन लोग बहुत आगे थे. द मुगल टाइम में मुगल सपोर्टेड दिस पेंटर्स एंड costly pressed items they made, and they have the knowledge about the plants and herbs. जंगल में जो plants and herbs है वो कुछ बीमारी क्यूर करने के लिए यूज़ करते थे. तो उनके बारे में आइडिया सिर्फ ट्राइबल पीपल को रहते हैं. सो दे हैव द नॉलेज अबाउट द प्लांट्स एंड हर्ब्स, अलाउड दम टू यूज दिस फॉर ट्रीटिंग इलनेस एंड वर्कड एज ट्रैवलिंग हीलर्स एंड डॉक्टर्स करके वो ट्रैवल करके इधर उधर जाके मेडिसिन देते थे जो जंगल से हर्ब्स एंड प्लांट्स वगैरह देके. सो मुगल्स सपोर्टेड दिस ट्राइबल पीपल.